everybody, welcome to this week's Chesa Sneak Peek. Today we are at the Arboretum and it is still July, it's Park and Recreation Month. This is actually going to be the last week of Park and Recreation Month. So to play games and win prizes, come on out to Rolling on the River on Thursday and Movie and More on Saturday. And coming up this week in Chesapeake, we have the Chesapeake Farmers Market at City Park's Marketplace Shelter on Wednesday from 8 a.m. to 1. Nature Academy in Nature's Classroom will be exploring water quality of the Arboretum streams. This is on Thursday from 9 to 11 a.m. It is $5 and it's for ages 5 through 12. Rolling on the River is our food truck fix for the week. This will be on Thursday from 5 p.m. to dusk at Elizabeth River Park. Again, you can play games and win prizes at this great event. Saturday morning, we have our two farmers market, the Chesapeake Farmers Market at City Park's Marketplace Shelter from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the Farmers Marketplace from 8 a.m. to noon, which will be right outside of City Hall. Saturday evening, we have the Movie and More at Courtyard Square Park, which will be playing Back to the Future. There will actually be a DeLorean there, which is really exciting. We encourage you to dress in your best 80s swag to really get in the mood of the evening. The event will be starting at 6 p.m. with inflatables, face painting, lots of fun activities for the kids, and the movie will begin around dusk. And Saturday evening, we have SkyWatch with the Back Bay Amateur Astronomers. This will be happening in the Northwest River Park's equestrian area, and it will begin around dusk. If you're interested in working for Chesapeake Parks Recreation and Tourism, we have some great opportunities for you. We are currently hiring positions for ranger techs, a bus driver, groundskeepers, housekeeping, and more. We're also looking for instructional educators teaching our dance, music, gymnastics, art and fitness classes. We're especially looking for preschool educators. If you're interested in any of those, you can contact our instructional program specialist, or for other positions within the department, make sure you check out Chesapeake's Click website. Chesapeake Parks Recreation and Tourism is part of the National Recreation and Park Association, and every year we celebrate July as Park and Recreation Month. Now, as you've learned, we've been doing some games and prizes at our different events throughout the year, but we will also be teaching our Stay and Play kids the two-step challenge with music by Saul Paul. So, Leslie, is you ready to teach the kids?
Yes, we are ready.
Let's do this. Get into it, Ron. Keep it going, everyone. Love the moves, Ron.